going to be a game in Buffalo today. It was supposed to be played yesterday, but it was postponed because of all of this. And look at how the fans handled it. I think they handled it pretty well. They were inside Highmark Stadium having themselves a good old time. That man with his shirt off, sliding down a tube full of snow. A group of about 85 fans actually came out to dig out the stadium. The Bills will be hosting the Pittsburgh Steelers today, and kickoff is at 4:30. Wow. Okay.
I don't think they could get the snow to move down the slide. And he's like, I got an idea.
I've got a plan.
I have an idea.
But my shirt has to be off for the plan.
Right, waving it around.